Hi, this is Panchali on behalf of Srimay again coming with a new video. Today's video is on kurti, and as you know that a mixed bag collection I will show. Branded will be there, non-branded will be there. Few pieces of woolen kurtis are also there. I will show them at first and then branded and then non-branded. But all of them, although few pieces are too low in range, I think to me those all are very much designer and good quality. All the pieces are very much good quality product. Please listen carefully about the sizes. I will mention each and every armpit to armpit size. Please measure your size before ordering. That's my request, because it's not possible to show all the pieces in all sizes. So limited sizes I will show, but please measure your size before so that you can place order accordingly. And the booking procedure is same, that you have to make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8910156418. Starting with few pieces of premium quality woolen kurtis. These kurtis are high, just too heavy woolen kurtis, ideal for this winter. And for those who are in the upper half of our country, that is from Jammu and Kashmir on. No, it's not for them, because you have to wear, for the chilly weather, you have to wear a jacket on it if it is less than 10 degree. But otherwise you can easily wear this kurtis. One side pocket are there, and these are stretchable. Maximum of them, few pieces I will show which are of small size, but maximum of them are stretchable up to 44. Okay, not above 44. I think one pieces will be there, which is for more than 44, but others for up to 44. 38 to 44, no, everyone can use it. One side pocket is there, just ideal for this. And the length of these kurtis, all of them are 46. 46 is the length. This is the first one, fuchsia pink. It's not exactly fuchsia pink, it's a pink between fuchsia pink and red. This is a piece, and heavy woolen, of course heavy woolen. One side pocket is there. This is fully woolen kurti. Okay, and these are in the range of 680 up to 44. You can easily order this. This is the first one. Moving to a maximum of them are side cut kurtis. Few are there which are not, only one piece I think in today's list. This is again a heavy quality, just too heavy and very sober combination. I think this combination is too sober. Anyone, either aged or if you are below 20, all of them can wear it. Gray, not gray actually, what color? Ash, light ash with black. This is the combination. And light moti. These are stitched. Okay, these are not pasted. These are all stitched. One side pocket is there. Here in this side pocket is also there. All of them are 46 in length. You can easily wear it over your kurti or just itself. In Kolkata itself, we wear only this kurti. It's enough. But I think few places are there in our India. You have to wear something above it. Okay, so this is the second one. These are in the range of the first one and this one, maximum of them 680. This is the second one. I think in this quality you will not get. That is if you are from, and this one, the third one, it is stretchable up to 44, but this one is good for 42. 42 it's good, but for 44 you can, but it will be a little tight. But for 42, this one particularly, not the first two one, this one. Okay, this is a beige with red with this type of moti. These are stitched and these are weaved. Okay, wool is weaved, woven like this. Okay, this is the woolen one. One side pocket is also there. 46 is the length, up to 42. For this one, up to 42. This one is in the range of 580. 580 for this one. Again, another gray, and I think this combination is too soothing. Up to 42 again. Up to 42, gray with black. with a black butterfly, which is, just see the design, it's beautiful, and all are, this motis are stitched, okay, fully woven. One side pocket is also there, too heavy in quality for 42. It's better for to wear for 42 size, okay, up to 42. 580 for this. The previous first two, those are 680, and this one is 580. The next one, it is the single piece available right now. Rest all are sold. This is a frock style woolen kurti, too heavy. These weights of maximum of the woolen kurtis are more than 500 gram. So if you like to have more than one pieces or single pieces, I think it's better to have it through normal India Post. Otherwise, the charge will be too high. Okay, this is the next one. Its length is again 46, but it is a frock style. This is the piece, beige with black. Beige with black, this is the combination, frock style woolen one, and its range is, of course, it can be stretchable up to 44 easily. Up to 44 you can easily vary. This is in the range of 890. 890 is the price for this one, and you can up to 44. The next one, it is also available in single piece. I have a number of piece actually, but all are sold out before showing to you. This is a jacket style kurti, a beautiful one, cream with fuchsia pink. This is the, and this jacket is attached itself. See, this is the style, and the jacket is attached itself. Size up to 44. It can be, the wool quality is too good, and up to 44, 46 is the length, and up to 44 you can, and all over these stones are stitched. This is, of course, woven, and these are the stones. I think it is visible. These pink stones are stitched, okay, and this is not openable jacket, but it is, this is the design, it is this type, okay. 890 is the price for this one. Up to 44 you can order for this. Moving towards the next one, it is again a brighter one, red. I showed one, no, two or three pieces are there. Again, it's the same piece as that I shown in ash with black combination. This is red with beige. It is a combination, not white, it is the beige, and see the design. It's beautiful design, and it can be stretchable up to 44 easily, okay. 680. 680 is the price for this one. Up to 44, heavy woolen and quality, no doubt. I actually try to sell the pieces, whether it is kurti, daily wear kurti, or uh, woolen kurti, whatever it is, I want to sell something good products. Yes, few pieces are there which are costly to you. Of course, the customers always, they want some lower price pieces, but I think it's if you get kurtis within, woolen kurtis within 450 or 400, the material will not be too good. Yes, they are available in market, of course, but I think the material, you shouldn't first study about the material and then please judge it. This is the yellow, I can't explain, it is not mustard, but a different shade with black. This is the woolen one, size up to 44 you can easily vary it. Motis are there stitched here, rose is woven here, and zigzag pattern, this beautiful pattern is there. It is in the range of 580. 580 up to 44 you can try it for, but maximum of them are good up to 42. Moving towards the next one, another beautiful piece, and it is, of course, it's a little bit higher in charge because of the woolen one. Up to, it is stretchable up to 46. Up to 46, the wool quality is that it can be stretchable. 750 is the range for this one. Black with red, the bright combination. I think if you have a picnic or a party, you can easily wear it. Okay, 780 is the one side pocket is of course there. This is the design. Length is 46. Okay, this is the next one. Moving towards two pieces of designer kurti, I will show. This is branded, of course, milestone branded. Size up to 42, not more than. And the quality of wool, it is branded one. And of course, the designer one also quality really good, too good quality, and of course of its design. See the design, it is a mix and match with red with beige. The wool quality, nothing to explain. And this type of embroidery work is done on it in one side. That is its beauty. In one side pocket is also there. This is Chinese collar, and the length is 47 plus. 47 plus is the length, up to 42, not more than that, up to 42. It is this 980 for this beautiful one. This is a designer piece. Of course, the woolen quality actually it matters. Moving towards the next designer one, I'm showing a number of woolen kurtis today. If it is available, then ask for it. And this is also up to 42. A beautiful embroidered one. And this is the embroidery is done through wool only. Okay, a beautiful quality, size up to 42. It's better. Okay, length is 47 plus is the length. Royal blue is the color with one side pocket. See, this is the embroidered designer one. This one is again a designer one. The previous pieces you can get that type of pieces in market, but these two specially, these are designer one, 980 for it again. And the last for woolen one today, then I will switch over to branded one, branded kurtis, normal kurtis, and few number of, and again red, I showed it, I think it's second one. Okay, red with beige. Okay, this is also available. It is 580 in range. Now starting with few pieces of blended ones. In blended single pieces as well as the two size available. Both products are there today. I will start with Ajrak because today I think it's the day for Ajrak and Kalamkari. So be prepared and please be fast while sending the screenshot. This one is MG branded pure Ajrak. Again Ajrak, just a sober simple piece, elegant one. Ajrak mix and match with this mirror, real mirrors are there, light sequence work. This one is not black, this is navy blue piping is done. And here is also another Ajrak block is used, light highlighting with sequences also there. Length as usual, you know, it is 48 actually. In the lower part, one side pocket is also there. In the lower part it is high. This piping work is done throughout the kurti. Okay, all over the kurti this piping, very good quality. MG brand, you know by its. Two sizes are available, 40 and 44. Decent sober 40 and 44, and the price is again really challenging, 730, only and only 730 for the first one. Moving towards the next one in next design today, this is again branded. Yes, two sizes are there, 42 and 46, pure ikat. Pachampalli ikat mix and match with sequence and light embroidery. 42 I am showing. Yes, what a bright piece. And now this puff sleeve is in, and puff sleeve with 3/4. This is the beauty for it, and this is the neckline. Length of a side cut, of course. Length is 47 plus is the length. Pure Pachampalli ikat, and this is a design. Another ikat is used for the neckline. See the neckline closely. One side pocket is also there. See the design. Okay, bright yellow, it can be your choice for upcoming Vasant Panchami also. And 42 and 46 both are available, premium in quality, 680, only and only 680. The back fully Pachampalli ikat. This is the second for today. Moving towards the third one, it is again in stock. Actually, I don't know how many times It's actually possible. That's the main reason, because many pieces are there, customer demanded, but it's not possible for us to restock it. The company will not make the same product again and again, but this is restocked again, that Jamdani weaving with this branded brand. You know, brand tag will always be there with kurtis. This is two sizes available again, 40 and 44. Those who are not getting previously, please, you can easily get it now. Decent sober Jamdani weaving. This is fully weaving. This is not at all any printing or so on. See the back, then it can be visualized. Okay, this is in the range of 40 and 44. Yes, the same range as that of previous 890. 890 is the rest for this one. Moving towards another beautiful one. It is CC brand. They are just a new coming brand, but their quality, I like it. Three sizes are there. Three sizes, same color, same combination, three sizes. Begumpuri weaving with that of hand paint is there, as well as sequence and handwork. This is the full combination. I am showing the 46 one, 42, 44, 46. Three sizes are there. Length is 47 plus. See the piece closely. First I am showing the back. Full Begumpuri weaving is there in back. Okay, this is the front. The sleeves full Begumpuri. A light lace border is there highlighting. This is fully hand painted. First it is hand painted, then in neckline less border is there, in the border neck border less is there, and light sequence work is there all over. Pure cotton one side pocket is there. Just a beauty. Three sizes are there, 42, 44, 46. Same color combination, three size available. Okay, only I don't know whether it can be available or not. Letter 690, only and only 690 CC branded. Okay, moving towards the next one. It is a really gorgeous one. See, it is the number of branded pieces are there. Brand again, you know, brand always famous for their they make something which is really uncommon in maximum time, MG as well as So this is the next piece. Okay, in two sizes. First I am telling 40 and 44 is available. Only single color is there. This one is align cut, no side cut, sorry. The inner, so you have to wear a leggings or pant with it. This is the length of the upper top one. It is 47 plus. Okay, with this the beauty lies here. This weaving, Jamdani weaving, actually Jamdani with Begumpuri. This is the piece. See the beauty. I will wear it if it is available later, but I can't resist to show you. See the piece. Just, it's a beauty. This openable jacket. Okay, of course, you know, this is the piece, and you can wear any other colors, as the jacket is in black, so you can try other color kurti with it also. Okay, so this is the full look. See the jacket. Okay, the length of the jacket 47 plus. All over this weaving is going on. Light sequence is there all over the jacket. See the jacket in back as well as in front. Full, the jacket is heavy, and this is the full look of the kurti. It's enough for any party, I think so. And the sleeve is also puff and then 3/4. Okay, this is the piece, 40 and 44, 1380. Of course, I think this type of design it will be of this range. 1380 for this beautiful one. Moving towards the next one, it is Navranga branded. I already sold a number of pieces, and beautiful, the brand quality, they maintains a good quality product, and so you can easily buy for it. Just again another ajrak, navy blue with maroon. It is the combination 42 and 40, now 40 and 44, both the sizes are available, 40 and 44. Pure ajrak, of course, mix and match with all over this sequence and light embroidery work. Okay, navy blue, and this is the back. Navy blue with maroon, length is 46 plus is the length. They actually, one side pocket is also there. 750 for the beautiful one. Moving towards another piece, it is again in stock, 42 and 46 raw silk with modal ajrak mix and match, just a beauty. This one is 42, 46 also available. The black one, it is pure raw silk with these ajraks are modal ajrak. Okay, that's why the piece is so bright. This angrakha style, you can tie up a knot here. Pure mirror is used, as well as light handworks are there highlighting it with less border. Okay, these are all real mirror. The 42 as well as 46, both the sizes are available. Raw silk 790 only. I don't know whether it is possible or not. 790 only. Now moving towards another branded, it is restocked again. Two sizes are now available, 40 and yes 44. I am showing the 41, all over weaving. I'm sure the weaving with it, it's a heavy one because the quality is light pure cotton one, but heavy embroidery work is there, pure weaving, and batik is also used in sleeves. See how many different designs are used. These designs are weaved. Okay, I'm showing the back. Navy blue is the body color. See, fully weaving. Okay, this is not at all any printing. This is fully weaved with it. This part is with batik, pure wax batik it is, and it is used also in sleeves also. And this is piping is done with the batik one. In upper half, this is another cotton. Length is 47 plus is the length, 40 as well as 44. Both the sizes are available. It is in the range of 1080. It is a because of its design, actually design, and the quality of the material. That's why it's. Now moving towards non-branded. In non-branded today, I have a number of pieces there today, and all the first one I will measure in front of you so that no discrepancy occurs, and from the next one, yes, I am starting with 44. Pure kalamkari is back. Many of you requested for daily wear pure kalamkari. This is 44 written. I have to measure it before. And you know these are pure kalamkari. This is not at all printing. Okay, you know pure kalamkari fabric cost. Okay, this is 44. 21 and half actually, armpit to armpit, so better for 42, not for 44. So first design, all the design, then I will which written one size will be smaller. Okay, so this one is for 42. This is the first one, nothing special, only pure kalamkari daily wear, vegetable dyed pure kalamkari, no mix up is there. These are all, these kalamkaris are in the only and only 350. 350. Again another 42, another shade. All the shades are different. Please take screenshot accordingly, otherwise it's been difficult for me to understand. This is the second one, again in 42. See, pure kalamkari, pure vegetable dyed kalamkari, 42 again. Moving towards the next one, it is 44, written 46, but it is for 44. It's good. Yes, it is the measure one will be 46, I think. I don't know. In few pieces they write the exact size, and few pieces, yes, it is 46. So please take it for 46, not for 44. It's 46. This one is for 46. Okay, vegetable dyed kalamkari. And the last one, it is again of 46, single piece in this design, 46 vegetable diet. Okay, all are in the range of 350 only and only. Now moving towards some plus size. In plus size today in 5XL, number a new design is there, and it is available in 4 colors. All the 4 colors, all of them are 5XL. So those who are 50 as well as, and the correct size, of course these are branded correct size, and those who are 50 and those who are 48, if they have no problem to wear a little loose, they can wear it easily. And see the design, Ajrak mix and match. See, this is a patola ajrak. It's another ajrak print is there. One side pocket is there. Length and light sequence work and light embroidery work is there all over. Okay, this is the first color. 3 more colors are there. Total 4 colors are there. Length is 46. Size is 50. 50 is the size. It is in the range of 480 only and only. This 5XL one 480. 3 more colors are available on it. I am just showing the color. Otherwise, the video will be too long. This is the mustard one. Okay, this is the navy blue one, and this one is the maroon one. Okay, all the designs are same, just the colors are different. So green is there, navy blue is there, mustard is there, and maroon is there. All the 4, all of them are in the size of 50. Okay, now moving towards the next non-branded one, but these are cambric cotton, pure premium quality cambric cotton. 2 sizes are available. I'm just checking whether 2 or 3 size. Just a minute. Yes, 40, 42, 44, 46. 3 sizes are there. Same print, a beautiful cambric cotton one. I am showing the 42 one. See the design. Those who like to wear white vest pieces, for them this is perfect. Just the quality, just I will take it if 42 is available. Otherwise, I don't know. 42. This one is 42. Premium quality cambric cotton. See the block. See the block closely. Okay. And this is pure ajrak is used as neckline. B style neckline. This is the sleeves. One side pocket is there. Premium quality cambric cotton. Length is 45. 45 is the length, not more than that, but the quality I will just, I'm not always tell that these are too good product. 380 only and only 380. 3 sizes are available, 42, 44 and 46. 380 is the price for this one. Moving towards the next one, in this design it is actually branded MD brand. This one is MD brand. In both color, 2 sizes are there. Okay, I have to measure a size. The size I am not been able. Yes, I think 40. Just a minute, I am checking the size. 40 is there, I think. Yes, one is 40 and the other one, 2 colors are there. The design is extremely good, premium quality cotton one. One is 40 and another, I think it is 44. Just a minute. It's branded. It's not non-branded. It's branded. 42. 40 and 42. Both sizes are available. This is the first color. I am showing the 41, 40 and 42. Okay. This is the 41 I am showing. The same piece is available in 42 also. 40 and 42. See the piece. The floral block, it is very much in all over. Premium quality cotton, one side pocket, MD branded. This is the brand tag is also there. In neckline, this embroidery as well as this type of kardana work is, light kardana work is there. Okay, this is the back. One side pocket, length is 46. One side pocket is there. 40 as well as 42. Both are available on this color and the next color also. 750. 750 blended one. MD branded. The next one, it is again available in 2 sizes. I think yes. Again two sizes 40. This one is 40 and 42. Black with multicolor floral. See, one side pocket is also there. The stitching quality as well as the fabric. It's awesome. See, this is the back. Length is 46 plus. In neckline again, this embroidery as well as kardana work is there. Lastly, I will show you few pieces, and this is the last for today. Pure Ajrak, non-branded one, but these are vegetable diet pure one. No doubt about the quality, all are premium in quality. One of which I will measure first so that the size discrepancy will not happen. Premium quality, as I showed you the kalamkari one, pure one, these are also non-branded but pure one. This is the first one, it is 40. Okay, so 42 is written here, so it is for 40, so the size will be accordingly. Pure ajrak mix and match, no work kardana or moti or sequence, nothing is there. This is plain and simple, one side pocket, length is 45, for daily wear. Pure ajrak, those who like to wear pure one, and this is the lower part. See the lower part, the same ajrak is used. Okay, 490, only and only 490. If it is mg or then the price rises up to 890. Okay, so you know all that this is the first one, size 40. 40 is the first one. Again another 42, it is written. I have to measure them all. Yes, it is 42. It is 42 one. Few pieces are there in they just in hurry they write different design sizes. This is the next one. See the ajrak block closely. I think you have an idea which is pure one and which is not. This is pure ajrak mix and match with another ajrak block is used as border. One side pocket is there. 42. 42 is the size, length is 45, not more than that. 45, 42, 490, only and only 490. In 42 again another block, maxi all of them are in the combination of maroon and black. Okay, the real ajrak, yes, ajrak comes in different color, but this series it is in maroon and black, but the block and design changes. This is again 42. See the block. One side pocket is there. This is the neckline, mix and match, 490, same price. The next one 44. 44 is there. 48 is also there. I will show you. This is 44, exact size, and this will not shrink at all. This will not at all shrink. This is the block. 44, one side pocket, premium quality. I don't know whether this piece can come in low price as this. 490, only and only 490. 46, only single piece is there in 46 and single piece is there in 48 also. This is the 46 one. See the block. All of them are maroon black combination. Actually maroon and dark brown. It is the one, and black is also there. Black is also there. One side pocket is there. This is the 46 one. Please listen carefully about the sizes, because just arrived pieces, so it's not possible for me to give you pictures of all of them. This is the 48, only single piece 48. This is a different block. I think it's very much uncommon. 48 single, 48 is there, one side pocket. Okay, and just two pieces of non-branded piece I will show you. Sorry, branded single available. This one available in 44, raw silk, again available, only single piece. 44 is the size, raw silk with modal mix and match, available in 44, 890. Another raw silk in beautiful blue, 950, raw silk embroidery, 950, size 44. Again both of them are size 44. This is the last for today. If you are interested, please make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8910156418. Thank you.